Gold demand is climbing at an unprecedented pace, recently pushing prices beyond $4,000 per troy ounce for the first time in history. Whenever uncertainty rises, investors traditionally turn to gold. But this moment is different. It's not only about owning more gold anymore, it's about deciding where that wealth should live. Instead of relying on long-established vaults in places like London or Geneva, many high-net-worth individuals are now shifting their assets eastward, toward emerging storage hubs such as Singapore. That shift brings us inside some of the most advanced private vault facilities on Earth. At first glance, the building looks like a simple industrial structure. In reality, it's an ultra-secure storage complex designed with multiple layers of protection. At the Reserve, security isn't just reinforced by steel and concrete, it's supported by the stability of the nation itself. Singapore's global position plays a major role here. The country maintains neutral relationships worldwide, making it a highly attractive location for long-term asset protection. For wealthy investors, emotional reassurance is just as valuable as financial return. Growing geopolitical tensions and ongoing economic instability are pushing clients to reconsider where their wealth is safest. Singapore offers a rare combination of trust, prosperity, and political consistency. As a wealthy financial jurisdiction, it has no incentive to confiscate private assets like gold. Doing so would undermine the very confidence that fuels its economy. Add to that the country's strong defense capabilities, and it becomes an ideal destination for preserving wealth across generations, spanning decades, not just years. Traditionally, most clients come from Western countries such as the United States, Europe, and Australia. Many are self-made entrepreneurs who prefer direct control over how and where their wealth is stored. To meet this growing demand, the Reserve was founded as a premium solution for safeguarding precious metals, including both gold and silver. Completed in 2024 and located near Singapore's Changi Airport, the facility features a massive vertical chamber capable of holding up to 10,000 tons of silver, valued at roughly $16 billion. Engineering plays a critical role in making this possible. The structure's foundation extends more than 30 meters into the ground to distribute the immense weight safely. The reinforced floor is designed to withstand loads far greater than conventional structures, dozens of times stronger than a standard parking facility. As demand continues to rise, precious metal prices have surged to record levels. Silver recently crossed $53 per troy ounce, while gold climbed beyond $4,300. Because gold packs far more value into a smaller physical form, it requires even stricter security measures. While cinematic vault heists make for great movies, real-world security works differently. It's quiet, methodical, and layered, designed to neutralize threats long before they become visible. Insurance providers require vaults to meet strict international standards, including resistance benchmarks that delay unauthorized access for extended periods. That delay is critical. Inside the primary gold vault, storage systems resemble high-efficiency safe deposit containers. This design allows gold to be stored compactly while remaining easy to retrieve when needed. The Reserve can securely hold up to 500 tons of gold, worth around $64 billion. That equals roughly 40,000 industry-standard good delivery bars, the type used by major traders and central banks. Each bar weighs about 400 troy ounces and carries a value of roughly $1.6 million. Many investors, however, choose to divide their holdings into smaller bars, each weighing about 32 troy ounces and valued near $128,000. For many, physical gold has become a shield against political uncertainty and economic unpredictability, particularly developments unfolding in Washington. Trade disputes and policy shifts have amplified concerns. According to Gregerson, growing skepticism toward government institutions is also encouraging investors, especially Americans, to store assets outside their home country. There's a widespread belief that if confidence in the US dollar ever weakens, governments will need a tangible asset to restore trust, and historically, that asset has always been gold. As a result, some investors are deciding not to keep all their holdings within US borders, choosing instead to diversify storage locations. Another factor driving this trend is the desire to avoid counterparty risk. Unlike gold-backed funds or futures contracts, physical gold doesn't rely on financial institutions to honor obligations. The 2008 financial crisis made it clear that even trusted banks can fail. In times like those, Digital balances can lose meaning overnight, while physical gold remains tangible, privately owned, and independent of institutional promises. Singapore's calm, understated stability feels worlds apart from the chaos of past financial crises. While it currently represents only a small fraction of global gold storage, that may soon change. Massive volumes of gold are traded daily in London, but emerging hubs like Singapore, Hong Kong, and Dubai possess the political will, infrastructure, and regulatory environment needed to grow. According to Gregerson, these regions have all the ingredients required to become major players in the future of global gold storage.